Okay, if you look at this question, how many terms are in this question? How many terms? I have 35, right? That's one term. Is this a positive or negative number? Okay. What's the second term? Negative 2t. And then the third term? Positive 13, right? We're trying to isolate t. I want to get t by itself. So let's keep, remember we always look at our left side and our right side. So this is my left side and this is my right side. I'm going to keep this term on the left side. Okay, it doesn't matter which side you want to keep it on, but because it's already on the left side, we'll keep it on the left side of the equation. So what do I write on the left side? Negative 2t. What's on the right side? Positive 13. What do I want to get rid of from the left side? What's the opposite of plus 35, a positive 35? So if I take 35 away, that's gone, right? What do you have to do to the right side? Take 35 away from the right side. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. Now we have to simplify this. I can calculate that. 13 minus 35 is negative 22. On the left side, I still have my negative 2t. Okay, opposite operations. This says negative 2 multiplied by something. What's the opposite of multiplication? So how do I get rid of the variable? Good, divide both terms by negative 2. You need to get rid of the whole thing. So t equals positive 11. And we did this yesterday. How would we check to make sure that this is the correct answer? Yep. So we said that t is equal to 11. Okay, we have to make sure that that's true. So 35 minus 2 times 11. We're saying that t is 11 equals 13. What's 35 minus, what's 2 times 11?
22.
What's 35 minus 22?
13.
Is the left side equal to the right side? So it balances. This answer was correct. We want to get rid of this 4, so I'm going to take it away. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So we're left with our negative 2x. And like I said, line up your equal sign so it's easier to read. On the right side, I have 14 take away 4. Can I simplify that? What's 14 take away 4? So I have negative 2x equals 10. Exactly. To undo this, we have to divide by itself. That cancels out. 10 divided by negative 2 is what? Kobita? Negative 5. We have here x divided by 3, take away 13. So a lot of you said you did this first. You wanted to get rid of the subtract 13. Negative 13 plus 13 is 0. You got rid of it. What do I have to do to the right side then?
Plus 13.
Add 13. Good. I'm left with x over 3, or x divided by 3, equals 7 plus 13. What's 7 plus 13? We have x divided by 3 equals 20. If I multiply this by 3, it cancels out. What do I have to do to the right side? We have to multiply by 3. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So I'm left with just my x. That was my goal, trying to isolate x, keep it by itself. 20 times 3. We know that we have a positive 5 on the left side. You want to remove anything that's around the variable. So to get rid of the plus 5, we take it away. What do I have to do to the right side? Okay, so we're left with, on the left side, negative y divided by 3 equals, what's 3 take away 5? Negative 2. What number can I put in front of a variable that won't change it? So let's put a 1 here. Everyone agrees that negative 1y is the same as negative y, right? Just so that when we get to the last part, it'll be easier for you. So we have negative 1y divided by 3. What operation do I want to get rid of? Tyreek? Divided by 3. How do I get rid of that? Multiply by 3. That cancels out. What do I have to do to the right side? Multiply by 3. I'm left with negative 1y equals positive or negative 6? Negative 6. Your goal is to isolate your variable. We just want to know what y equals, not negative y. So I need to divide everything by negative 1 so I can isolate my variable. What's a negative divided by a negative? Positive 6.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.